Hello, my dear students. Hope you're all doing well. Let's revise about materials, its properties, and uses. Everything around us is made of materials. Can you name some materials around you? There are different types of materials. Some are natural materials that come from living things and the earth, while some are man made materials. Different materials have different properties. We get materials from plants, animals, and ground. We get wood, cotton, and rubber from plants, wool, silk, and leather from animals. Gold, iron, and copper are examples of metal obtained from ground. Man made materials are made by humans. Example glass, ceramic, plastic, etc. Now let's see about some properties of materials. Absorbent material, able to soak up liquid. Example cotton towel. A material which does not allow liquid to be absorbed is called waterproof. Example raincoat. A material that is strong can support heavy loads. Example nylon string. A material that is hard can withstand scratches. Example metal. Flexible materials can bend easily without breaking. Example slipper made of rubber. Elastic material can stretch easily without breaking and come back to its original position. Example rubber band. Heat conductivity. Good conductor allows heat to pass through quickly. Example metal. Bad conductors allow heat to pass through slowly. Example plastic. Material which can be attracted by a magnet is called magnetic material. Example iron nail. Transparent materials allow most of the light to pass through. That's why we can see clearly through window. Example glass. Translucent material allow some light to pass through. Example paper. Opaque material are those which does not allow light to pass through. Example wood. These are some example of properties of materials. How do we choose material to make objects? As we have learnt above, each material have different properties. We choose material accordingly based on their properties. Example, rubber boots. We wear this during rainy season because it is waterproof and flexible. It keeps our feet dry. Axe. Axe is made of two different materials, metal and wood. The metal head is used to cut wood. It is strong and does not break easily. Wood is light and strong and it is used for holding. Spectacle lenses. It is also made of two different materials, glass and plastic. Glass is transparent. It is used to improve vision. Properties of plastic. Plastic is light and does not break easily. It is used to hold the lenses and easy to wear. Pages of book. Can you guess a book is made of? Yes, you're right, paper. Paper is an absorbent material. It can absorb ink. It is used to write. We write, we color, and we also do origami using paper. Baby bottle. Baby bottle is made of two different materials, plastic and rubber. Plastic is light and does not break easily. It is used as a container for storing milk. Rubber is flexible and elastic. It is used for drinking milk. Shirt. Shirt is made of fabric. Can you guess some fabric material? Yes, wool, silk, cotton, all these are fabric materials. Here we are going to see about a cotton shirt. It is very flexible, light, and it absorbs water. It is used for covering our bodies. Thank you. Hope it's clear for everyone. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Bye for now.